Thank you, Ron. Good morning. Mukhang hindi pagod ang morning, ah. Good morning. Kanina pa kayo nakaupo, no? Bakit tumayo muna kayo? Why don't you stand up first? Sige lang. Kanina pa kayo nakatayo, eh. Yan. Di ba anong ginagawa natin? Turn right muna. Turn right. Turn right. Come on, turn right. Sige lang. Okay, put your two hands on top of the shoulder sa kasunod. Sige. Massage, karate naman, sa likod. Chop, chop, chop. Karate, karate. Chop, chop, chop. Okay. Soft massage, pindot, pindot, pisil, pisil. Okay. Shiatsu, alam mo yung shiatsu? Finger massage. Sige, come on. Pagkakato na ito, ladies, gentlemen. Sige. Okay, then round massage, yung spinal cord. Come on. Spinal cord, sa gitna. Spinal cord, round massage, down, up, down, up. Okay, about face. Bawi muna, bawi, bawi, bawi. Okay. Shoulder, shoulder. Leg, 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 leg. Hard massage. Come on, hard massage. Karate, karate. Chop, chop, chop. Soft massage. Pindot, pindot. Pisil, pisil. Okay, shiatsu. Finger massage. Come on. Then, round massage. Spinal cord. Round massage. Spinal cord. Going down. Going up. Going down, going up. Then hold your hands together muna. Okay, hold your hands. Slowly, slowly, bow, bow. And I want you to yun. Ah! Mukhang kulang pa eh. One more time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and yun. Ah! Ayan, gising na. So, kailangan mag-test muna huli ako. Pag sinabi kong hi, say hello, ha? Hi! Pag sinabi kong okay, say alright. Okay? Pag sinabi kong hala, say bira. Hala? Pag sinabi kong hoy, ayan, gising. Alam naman yung pinamana ng Kastila, di ba? Pagka afternoon, sabi daw nila, long speech, it will move your chairs. So, kailangan lang short speech para it will move your minds. So, good morning. Sino sa inyo ang nasa sales na since 1960s, nagbebenta na? Okay, you don't need to raise your hands. Obvious naman. Sabi nga natin may PhD na ng selling. Nakita ko si Mr. Vic Sullivan, the authority on direct selling. Okay, let's give a round of applause to Mr. Sullivan. Yan ho ang nagsimula sa ating direct selling. Nakita nyo? Back to basics pa rin siya. Ayan, sabi nga natin, pagka 1960s ka na, may PhD ka na in selling. Alam ba niyo yung PhD? Sabi daw nila, may permanent head damage. Hindi naman. Si June naman, yabang naman. Kung ikaw nga, puro white hair eh. Alam mo, hindi bali ng white hair, wag lang falling hair. Okay, sabi nila, nung 1960s, ang pagbebenta raw, simple lang. Do you agree? Sinong bida? Manufacturing. Di ba? Sabi nga nila, just produce the most number of products, distribute, may edge ka. Less ang competition. Ganun yun ng araw, di ba? Kaya sabi sa direct selling, dalawa lang yung process. Sabi nila, just prospecting and demonstration. The word closing does not exist during that time. In fact, ang closing lang doon nung araw, isa lang bibili ka ba o hindi? Kung ayaw mo, marami naman dyan. Do you agree? So, yun ang bida, production, manufacturing. Ngayon, ang bida pa rin ba, manufacturing? Of course not. Sabi nga natin, production, less sales equals scrap. Kahit anong ganda ng produkto mo, kung hindi rin maibebenta yan, wala rin. So, ano ba yung approach nung 1960s? Sabi nila, simple lang. Selling daw is just a numbers game. Di ba? Sino sa inyo mga nasa real estate dito? Ako lang? So, marami tayo. Ang ginagawa nating statistics when it comes to real estate, pag bagito tayo, sabi natin, 20:4:1 lang. Yun ang tinatawag nating KRA, no? Yung ating Key Result Activities. Na bago ka makabenta ng isa sa 20:4:1, kailangan you have to identify at least 20. Not suspect, ha? Qualified prospect. Alam mo na kung sino yung target market mo. And out of those 20 qualified prospects, sabi nga natin, 80-20 rule, ilan ang nadadala natin sa site? O yung tinatawag natin tripping, ilan ang nadadala natin sa site? At least 4, kaya nga 20:4. And out of those 4 na nadala natin sa site, ilan ang nako-close natin? Sometimes isa on the spot na impulse buying, di ba? But sometimes on a series of follow-ups, naku-close din natin yung iba. But the basic, sabi nga natin pagbagito, numbers game muna. Bakit numbers game? Because you lack the knowledge, you lack the attitude, and you lack the skills. So numbers game ka muna. Now, sino sa inyo ang mga 1970s? By the way, how do you double your sales kung numbers game ang gagamitin natin? Double your numbers. Do you agree? So if you can double your contacts, say 40, guaranteed yan. In 3 months, you can double your sales. Yun nga lang, kung approach mo lang, puro numbers game, baka 3 months after, you double your sales. Pero nandun ka sa Makati Medical Center. Meron kang gold bed pan. It's not worth it. Do you agree? Kung physically, tatamaan ka naman. Kaya nga, may sumigaw nung 1970s. O sige, let me establish a common ground. Sino kaya kasamahan ko rito? Sino sa inyo nagbebenta na since 1970s, nasa sales na? Ako lang? O carried over si Mr. Sullivan? Talagang hanggang ngayon, nasa sales pa rin. Yun, meron pala akong kasamahan doon. Obvious, no? Namumuti na rin yung buhok. No? Talagang sabi nga natin, teka, bibilangin ko. Kamag-anak ko kayo ni Papay, no? Pipito? O meron kotse nyo, alam ko, BMW. Bakit? Buhok mo, wawalo. O later on, magjo-join kayo sa PNP. Bakit? Panibis ng panibis. Yun na. So, mga 1970s. Sino mga 1970s? Alam nyo, ang bida ng 1970s, sumigaw ho yung San Miguel. Sabi ng San Miguel, do not treat your customer as an object, parang numero lang. Treat them as a subject because they have feelings. Kaya ano yung isinigaw nila sa pagbibenta? Iba na ang may pinagsamahan. So, nakita natin the importance of relationship selling. Alam naman natin, di ba? Pag mga bagito, sinong nabebentahan agad natin pagka first time tayo sa sales? It's very important, yung tinatawag nating ka, di ba? Yan ang una natin bebentahan. Kaibigan, kamag-anak, kaeskwela, kapitbahay, kabit, kalaguyo, kapwa ko, mahal ko, di ba? So, naging senador. Naging defense secretary pa. Kapwa ko, mahal ko. So, sabi nila, sino yung mga magagaling noong 1970s? Conclusion. Kaya ho sila magaling, sabi ni Ron nung araw, either they are relatively good or they have good relatives. Do you agree? Sino bang nabebentahan natin? Di yung mga kamag-anak incorporated. But, sabi nga ng San Miguel, maganda yung sinabi nila, that if you make a sale, you only make profit. Do you agree? But if you build the relationship, you build the business. That's why, napakaganda ng kanilang approach, di ba? Build the relationship, then you build the business. Kaya sabi nga namin, dito, effective na effective yung kay Dr. Hucano, na mamaya maririnig natin. Nasabi niya, lagi kong inuulit-ulit, na ang Pilipino, number 1, ginajudge agad tayo sa ating dating. Do you agree? Ano ba yung dating? Yung iyong arrival. Di ba? How do you know whether you are a good news or a bad news? Nila, simple lang. Pag dumating ka sa kliyente, tapos, anong makikita natin sa kliyente? They smile. When you appear, do you agree? Probably, you are a good news. Now, let me ask you, suppose they smile when you disappear. Probably, you're a bad news. Kaya pag medyo aalis kayo, medyo tumingin kayo. Baka yung smile niya, nung papaalis na kayo. Di ba? So at least alam mo whether you are a good news or a bad news. Pero, sabi nga namin, the most important thing, as far as profession called selling is concerned, ano sa palagay nyo? Ang judgment ng Pinoy. How are we being judged? Ano ba ang negosyo natin? Let me ask you, anong negosyo natin? What is our business? Are we in the real estate business? No, we are not in the real estate business. Are we in the selling business? No, we are not in the selling business. Ano ba talaga negosyo natin? Yan. First and foremost, we are in the people business.